What do you think is under your beautiful skin that you see every day? Firstly, let me first tell you what the inner layer of the skin is called. The inner layer of the skin is called dermis. Now, to answer the next question, what is the inner layer of the skin made up of? The dermis is made up of blood capillaries, which are tiny blood vessels present in the inner layer of the skin that carry blood and supply food and oxygen to the cells present in the layer. Now, the dermis also has hair follicles, which the hair that we see on the outer surface of the skin originate from. You might also have noticed that the skin secretes an oily substance that is mostly visible on the faces of people that are said to have oily skin. It is important to state that this oily substance released from the dermis onto the surface of the skin is not just any oil or groundnut oil. It is referred to as sebum. Sebum keeps the hair and outer layer of the skin supple and also keeps dust and microorganisms out. It is secreted by the sebaceous glands, which are present in the dermis. The dermis also consists of sweat glands, which open outside of the outer layer of the skin as sweat pores. The sweat gland absorbs water and salt from the surrounding blood capillaries in the dermis to produce sweat, which when released outside, it evaporates and cools the body. Taking baths regularly, wearing clean clothes, and eating a balanced diet are some of the major ways we can take care of our skin. I hope you enjoyed this class. But before we go, let's do a quick recap of what we have learned. We discussed the inner layer of the skin, which is called the dermis, and it is composed mainly of connective tissues containing blood capillaries, hair follicles, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. See you in the next class.